Come loose. Two, three. Ta-da! Little wedge. A little bit of cleanup. There's my angle right there. So that's what I want it to be. And that's how it goes. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Nice and tight. Oh, yes, I like that. That long. That's acceptable. There we go. Holy cow. Yeah, this one needs a little bit of work. Yeah, it's jamming up. So there you have it, a Cooper's plane. This is a lot of fun. No, it's not a really big jointer plane. It is a Cooper's plane. It's intended to be used upside down and you actually run the work over it. Particularly for a Cooper who is making barrel staves and other rounded surfaces, it makes it easier to do a curvature on here, and it's a lot of fun. This is one of the things I've wanted to get into more and learn more about, and so I needed a Cooper's plane to experiment and play with that, and so I am looking forward to doing that. And if you would like to see more in the future, where I actually go into it and start learning, maybe making a few barrels and things like that along the way. Stay tuned, because we're going to be having fun with it. And if you do know of something I don't know, then let me know that down in the comments down below. I like that. I learned from it, and it means a lot. So thank you. As well, that helps out the channel. Anytime you put a comment down below, or a like, share, subscribe, it helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel grow, and it means quite a bit. So thank you for that. Oh, look, all of these names over here. Those are all the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous people over on Patreon. Because if you want to be one of those, well, you can do so by going down the description down below and learning more about Patreon, or you can become a member here on YouTube and click that little join button, because members and patrons are what keep us going. We are completely sponsored by you, no sponsorships here, so thank you. If you like that and would like to help us out and keep the channel going, then think about joining and becoming a member. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. A lot of you don't know, but I actually have my private pilot's license, and that allows me to fly planes. However, this one requires a special certificate. It's kind of like the Boeing 747 of the hand planes. So this particular plane is made out of American beech. However, traditionally, Cooper's plane were made out of ash, because they were big ash planes.